Okay, so by week 11 assignment, which you are supposed to create a little base, and basically just to explore the cloud and understanding what or better to use the cloud, and then you save costs. So that's the basic thing for this week. So we're looking at first of all, I need to create an instance. So I'll come here. So I'll click this one. Oh, I think the system is slow. Just wait for it to. So the best way use a cloud is a way that we enable the cloud to become more efficient. So the concept of database as a service, ensuring that one utilizes all the proper functions in order to serve our clients, our company better. So I have to scroll down to Cloud SQL. Here is it. I click for it to load. But the first thing I'm supposed to do is to create an instance, and it could be any of the options, MySQL or the other option. So I'll choose just one. So waiting for it to load. System is a bit slow now. Okay, so here it is. You can see now that other options here to get started. MySQL. Okay, so it gives different options, MySQL, but I'll scroll down. MySQL sandbox, go to PostgreSQL, the SQL Server. So I'm to choose either of this. So I want to pick, I will use my SQL, and then I just need to create it in such a way I will customize other areas. So I scroll right here and say, click create custom instance. Then it opens for me. I choose MySQL. So I will, because now the issue is to reduce cost. If I choose Enterprise Plus, the cost will be very, very high. It will be running up with a minimum of 64 gig RAM and 4 vCPU. So I have to choose here. I choose Enterprise. Enterprise will reduce the costing. So I choose Enterprise. Then coming down here, it shows you the type, because this is production. But I'll show also what development. I'm supposed to choose what? Sandbox. The sandbox is the ID type that one should choose for this preset edition. So I choose sandbox. Okay. Then, okay, this place shows the version. The version, so let me leave it at where it is, 8.4. So I give you the name, my instance. Let me just leave it at my instance. Then I'm supposed to set the password. I'm supposed to set the password for it. Okay, I've already set the password for it now. So that's a password. Now, I need to other areas. Okay, the region is already at US Central. US Central. So I need to go and select the CPU. Then, in order for me to do that, I need to click Show Configuration Options. Click this one so that I can affect other areas. Now, it's going to go and choose the machine type. Yes, it is recommended that I choose the first option, which is 1V CPU. I click here. But if you look at the right side of the screen now, it means that if I choose this option, it has changed, which means it also reduces the costing approximately 4 grams, which is what we have here is 3.75 gigabyte in size of RAM. So I've done that already. Then I need to select the storage also. The storage. Okay, it's still already at 10, but let's choose is it the SSD? Is the most popular choice, lower latency than. Okay, so I'm going to just leave it there because the size already is supposed to be 10 MB. So I'll just let it be at 10 megabyte. Then connection, I'm supposed to enable public IP. Okay, it's already enabled. It's already enabled. So these are some of the options to enable this virtual instance run effectively. Then need to go to backup and look for where I have backup under maintenance. Okay, because I'm still looking for way to enable backup to be automatic. Don't know what that is. So I need to uncheck this enable automatic storage increase, because if it is enabled, it means that when the system has used 10 gigabytes already, it keeps increasing. It means that the capacity can increase from 10 to 50. Okay, so enabling this automatic increase will do that. So I just have to enable it, remove it, and then I screwed on. I've already created a secure password, and then query level. So the next thing is to click on create instance, because the major settings have already been put in place so that I can then go and configure other areas. Okay, so that's indication here. Creating instance to take probably some few minutes. So after creating this instance, the next thing will be definitely to configure the network and then also the firewall rule. That'll be the next thing to do. And then add the network. To my SQL, and then go back to Workbench and then set it up. Workbench was supposed to be downloaded. I've already done that. So consider my SQL Workbench. It's here already. So it's still waiting for Quick Lab to create this instance successfully. If I come back to my studio, it talks about the database I'm supposed to work with or to create a script to enable some other functions. Go to database. I already have the bowling database here. Maybe I'll just wait for this instance to finish creating so I'll be able to perform other tasks. My instance is taking longer than expected. It's taking longer than expected.